Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G32 and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. You need to begin by holding your search bar and then dragging it to remove section at the top. When remove is white, you need to let go. And as you can see, after that my search bar is gone. If you still can't delete it, go into Devices settings, click on Apps section, and tap on See All Apps. After that, you need to look for Google One, and when you find it, click on it. Then select Force Stop next to Disable and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!